Here's a drill I bought on eBay. This drill cost me 20 bucks. Not 20, not 21 bucks, not 22 bucks, but 20 bucks. 20. It's a Skil drill. Got some good heft to it. Nice and heavy. Old school drill, black. The chuck is half an inch chuck. Comes with a key. It's a corded drill. It's got a cord. It's also reversible. It goes two ways, reverse, in and out. So in and out, and so straight and reverse. It's double insulated. The motor, the wiring, the housing of this drill, corded drill, double insulated. A little bit rusted, it turns on. It's workable. Nice half-inch chuck. A lot of times when you get a drill, one of the first drills people get is a 3/8 drill. But this drill is a half-inch chuck. Sometimes people get a 3/8 inch chuck when they first start off with tools. This ain't my first drill I bought, so I may remember. As you get older, you'll remember to get a half-inch chuck and splurge on something. Let's test her out. Let's reverse. Let's go forward, see if it goes forward. I wonder what this is for. It's a twist on the trigger. This black knob. It's got this lock right here too. It's got this lock. So you got it going. You hold this lock. So you hold it down. I thought it held. But sometimes you know you have a if you have a like a portable drill and you hold the lock down. I had one, and when you have one that holds down, it heat up the handle right here on the portable drills, and then you grab it, you go like this. Ow! So that's why even with an electric drill, I'll be careful to use this one because it could heat up. That's how a lot of warranties do things like that. I bought one Harbor Freight one time. I took it back to Harbor Freight with no receipt, and they still gave me a refund. When I took it back, I don't think I took it back with a charger or something. I was missing a charger and a receipt, but it had the battery and the charger, but no, it had the battery, I think, and the drill, and the portable drill, and but no charger, I think, no charger, no receipt, and they took it back. Harbor Freight, they honored it. That's why I'm careful not to use this. These safety buttons, not safety button, but this lock. Keep it locked down. Has it label right here, reverse and forward.